In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go incognito in Brave browser. First, let's get started by opening the Brave browser. You will see the familiar interface with your bookmarks and the home page set up. It's essential to ensure you're using the latest version of Brave for the best security and performance. This step is crucial because using an updated browser helps protect your privacy and enhances your browsing experience. Once you have the browser open, you'll be ready for the next action. Next, look at the top right corner of the Brave browser window. You will notice a three-line menu icon, often referred to as the menu. This icon is a gateway to various options and settings in the browser. Click on this menu icon to reveal a drop-down list. This action is significant because it provides access to several features that enhance your browsing experience, including incognito mode. Once you click the menu, you will see several options displayed clearly. Now, from the drop-down menu, find and click on the option that says New Private Window. This is your entry point to browsing incognito. When you select this option, the browser will initiate the process of opening a new private window. It's a straightforward action, but it is important because it ensures that your browsing history, cookies, and site data are not saved once you close the window. You'll know you have clicked correctly when the new window opens, marking your transition into private browsing. A new incognito window will open, providing a fresh browsing environment. You will notice the interface may look slightly different, often with a darker theme or a specific icon indicating that you are in private mode. This is a reassuring visual cue that you are now browsing privately. You can feel confident that your activities in this window are not being tracked or saved. It's a great way to explore the web without leaving a trace, making your online activities more secure and private. Once you are in the new private window, feel free to navigate to any website as you normally would. Remember, this mode is perfect for situations where you want to keep your browsing private, like checking accounts or researching sensitive topics. This little step saves you a lot of time later as it prevents clutter in your browsing history and protects your privacy. In summary, going incognito in Brave browser is simple and effective. By following these steps, you've empowered yourself with a tool that enhances your online privacy. You can always return to your main browser window after your private session, knowing your personal information remains secure. Now that you've learned how to go incognito in Brave browser, you can explore the internet with more confidence. Keep practicing these steps to become more familiar with the process. Enjoy your private browsing experience.